your 8-minute abs workout. Now, all the exercises are safe, effective, and fun. There's going to be 9 movements with 45 seconds built into it. All right, let's get going. The first exercise is going to be the basic crunch. Hands behind the head and just crunch right up. My feet are on the ground. Remember the old-time sit-ups? You had to go all the way to the top? Not this time, gang. We're going to save the back. So all you want to do is curl up. Notice this. My lower back stays on the ground. My hands placed behind the ears. And I'm slowly just looking up towards the ceiling and curling up. That's all we're doing. You're going to feel this right in the rectus abdominis, right here, this big sheet right there. Okay? We're not feeling this in the neck or in the lower back. Now, beginners, keep in mind, you don't have to go all 45 seconds. Work yourself into this program. It's a great program. You're going to feel good. You're going to look good. Nice and easy. That's it. All right, gang, 5 more seconds. And release. Now, right elbow goes behind the head, left leg coming in. This is working the obliques. Those awful love handles. Remember those? Bring it in and then all the way out. Now again, my lower back stays on the ground, so it's safe and effective, and I'm not yanking on the head. Very important, but you're going to feel it right through here. There you go. Boom, right there. That's it. Nice and slow and controlled. Remember, each movement's 45 seconds. Build yourself into it. That's it. Here we go. 10 more seconds, gang. That's it. Couple more. 1 more and release. Now, other side. Left elbow behind the head and slowly bring it in and extend out. That's it again. Lower back's on the ground. No stress in the lower back. I'm not yanking with the head. Very good. Lift your body up and over. Up and over. There you go. That's it. Right there, you're working the right oblique. You can really feel these. That's it. Keep it going. 10 more seconds, gang. There. How you guys doing? Doing all right? And release. Okay, right from there, both legs up. What I want you to do is touch the bottom of the feet. Nice and easy. Now notice I'm not going all the way to the top. I'm just basically bringing myself up. I'm curling myself up. Trying to touch the bottom of the feet, which is basically physically impossible. Nice and easy. You're trying to reach. That's it. Legs are at 90 degrees, so I'm not swinging the legs. Just keep them constant. There you go. 20 seconds. Firm up, guys. That's it. You're just reaching. Control with the abdominals. Concentrate. Come on, give me 5 more seconds. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, release. Now, hands placed under the buttocks. Now just bring the knees into the chest. And you're just pulling back. Pull back. Notice I'm not rocking. I'm pulling. We're not putting any pressure on the lower back. No stress on the neck. The lower back stays constant. You're just pulling. This is the lower region of the abdominals. That's it. Nice and easy. You're just pulling back. You're not rocking. Keep that in control. It's very important. No stress in the lower back. And pull. There you go. Keep going. 10 more seconds. That's it. Squeeze and concentrate. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Legs go over to the left, right elbow behind the head. Basically, just bring it up. You're doing a side crunch. Put your left hand on your right side. This is for the right obliques. Nice and easy. Okay, notice I'm not yanking on the neck, and the back is stabilized. I'm not jerking around. It's a controlled movement. Concentrate. You want to feel it right here. Squeeze. That's it. Nice and easy. And squeeze it up. Right there. Very good. Controlled movements. There you go. Keep going. Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Okay, switch sides. Left elbow goes to the left. Here we go. Nice and easy. Now put your right hand on your left oblique. Leg slips to the right. Slowly bring it up. Again, You're working the left oblique right here. You can really feel these and concentrate. In controlled movements, I'm lifting up. Controlled with the abdominals, not the neck. The back is stabilized. That's it. Nice and tight. Squeeze. Again, beginners, go at your own pace. That's it. Nice and easy. Squeeze and concentrate. You're lifting up. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now these are push-throughs. Both hands placed right here and just push straight through. That's it. Just push. There you go. Again, I'm curling the body up. My lower back is staying on the ground. No stress. Notice I'm looking up towards the ceiling, okay? My neck, it's not down here. It's up. You're pushing out. You're focusing right here. All the energy's right here. Right there. Squeeze it up. That's it. Come on, 15 more seconds of this. Then we'll go to the next movement. There you go. 10 seconds. And push. Push. There you go. Concentrate. 3, 2, 1. Now, hands placed under the buttocks. Now bring the feet up towards the ceiling and push up. And push up. Okay, you're working the lower region of the abdominals. And push. Concentrate. That's it. Push it towards the ceiling. Your head stays on the ground. We don't want any undue stress on the neck or the back. And push. There you go. Notice my legs aren't swinging. They're pushing up. Up. There you go. That's it. Come on, gang. Hang in there with me. Let's go. You're having fun. These exercises are safe, effective, and they are fun, and they work. Couple more. Here we go. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Now, hands behind the head. Right elbow goes to the left knee, left elbow to the right. We're going to alternate legs, gang. We're working those love handles. Come on, you're almost done. Hang in there. That's it. Pull, that's it. Come on, gang. Nice and easy. Beginners, take your time. Work into this. It's a great program. It's only 8 minutes long every day. That's it. These work if you do them right. This will never hurt you. If you do this correctly, follow these exercises. They work. That's it. Keep going. Come on, gang. And squeeze. Squeeze. Here we go. Couple more. Couple more. And release. Now, hands placed on the abdominals. All I want you to do is curl up. I want you to really feel these. Put your hands right there. You feel that? Well, it feels good. It's nice and tight. Hopefully you won't have to dig too far, gang. At least not for long. And just curl up. Come on, gang. Last 30 seconds. Give it to me. Let's go. That's it. 10 more seconds. And squeeze tight. Concentrate right here. You're going to feel it right here. Not in the neck, not in the back. Right in the abs. Ready? Now hold it right there. Hold it. Breathe. Breathe. You're going to do an isometric. You're going to hold it. And release. Whew. You did a great job. I'll see you in 24 hours. Very good, guys. Good job.